Hey everyone, this is Casey with CReeves Makes, and today I'm going to share with you a quick tip on how to get a nice weathered look on wood using nothing but a coarse wire wheel and a drill.
Recently I had a client who wanted a weathered rustic look for their project. I decided to weather this wood myself using a coarse grade wire wheel and my drill. You can find these wheels at any hardware store for just a few dollars. I started the process off with a piece of test material until I had achieved the look that I wanted. To create the desired effects, I angled the drill so that the rotation of the wheel was going against the grain and removing material. You will feel the bite of the wheel as it's working. You can go in an opposite direction to get more of a polishing effect. I like to go at a 45-degree angle across the grain to start the effect and then work back in parallel to the grain to remove more of the softer wood. The best thing about this process is that it's all up to you and the look that you want to achieve.